Welcome to the in front of me Google Pixel 7, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. Then tap here to the gestures and scroll down and tap to press and hold power button. Now let's just click here on the switcher to activate this option, and after that when we'll press and hold the power key, we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. So as you can see, that's worked. If you wanna just turn it off by the same way, just click here on this switcher, and now we can see that the power off menu is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.